Delicious Keto Sesame Bread. Craving a slice of bread that won't break your keto streak? Say hello to Keto Sesame Bread, a low-carb, high-flavor solution that's perfect for anyone looking to enjoy the simple pleasures of bread while staying on track with their ketogenic diet. This bread is not just a replacement, it's a revelation. What's the secret behind Keto Sesame Bread? It's all in the ingredients. Instead of using traditional wheat flour, this bread relies on a blend of almond flour and ground sesame seeds. The almond flour keeps the bread light and fluffy, while the sesame seeds add a unique nutty flavor and a delightful crunch. Together, they create a bread that's not only delicious but also packed with healthy fats and proteins, making it a great option for a keto-friendly meal or snack. But what really sets this bread apart is its versatility. Whether you're in the mood for a classic sandwich, a savory toast, or even just a simple slice with butter, Keto Sesame Bread is up to the task. It holds up well to toasting, spreads, and fillings, and its subtle sesame flavor pairs beautifully with a wide range of toppings. Plus, it's gluten-free and sugar-free, so you can indulge without any of the usual bread guilt. With just a few basic ingredients and a bit of time, you can have a fresh, homemade loaf ready to go. The key to success is in the preparation. Make sure to mix your dry ingredients thoroughly to avoid clumping, and be gentle when folding in your wet ingredients to maintain that perfect bread texture. A dash of apple cider vinegar adds a bit of lift, making the bread fluffy, while a sprinkling of sesame seeds on top gives it a beautiful, bakery-style finish. Ready to give Keto Sesame Bread a try? Here's a tip: keep an eye on the baking time. Because this bread is made with nut flours, it can brown faster than traditional bread. Cover it loosely with foil if it starts to get too dark before it's fully cooked in the center. So, why settle for bland and boring when you can have Keto Sesame Bread that's full of flavor and texture? It's time to elevate your keto baking game and enjoy the best of both worlds: great taste and low carbs. Have you ever tried making your own Keto Sesame Bread? Share your experiences in the comments below.